Okay, I know you guys are waiting for this video. I promise you ladies to make a video to compare the double wefted bundle and the single wefted bundle and also the Genius Weft extension. Because some ladies, they want thinner wefted. So now let me get started. This is the bundle. Just let me show you how this is made. Okay, you can see the weft. I will just make a small video later. So normally we use a bundle where we cut the weft into, to split it into half because we fold the two single wefts to solve into bundle normally. So when we make the wigs, if if there is enough space on the cap, then we will just split the weft into half. So to solve on the cap to make it softer, thinner. I mean the weft. So normally we just like this. Let me cut into the half. Let me show you this one. So this is the complete. After we make, this is the weft, and then we will just split. Now it's two single weft, as you can see. It's two. This is, you understand? I'm not sure if you can see it. So this is already folded. We cut it, but I didn't cut it completely. So you will see how thick it is. Anyway, I will compare it later. I'll just show you. This is, so after we cut the double wefted, it will become longer like this. Understand? You see, I open. So it was, before it was like this short. Understand? Okay, let me see. Before it was like this short. Okay. You can see it's like this short. So what I mean is, what I mean is after we split the double wefted into single wefted, it will become longer, double. The length like this, and after we split, it will be double like this. Okay. So because some ladies, they have these requirements to make the bundle, but more ladies, they don't require this. So I promise some ladies to make this video. And this bundle weft I already show you, okay? Now let me show you this Genius Weft. The Genius Weft, I personally like it. I personally like it very, very much because it's soft, it is hand-tied, it's soft and hand-tied. Of course, it's a little bit higher cost than the machine wefted, because this are made by machine, and this we need to make, the workers will just hand tie strand by strand, strand by strand. So it costs longer time. Of course, like the prices are comparatively higher, but I think it's much shorter and better for some ladies. So I need to, this video I will compare. You see, later I will show you the how thin the Genius Weft it is compared to the
this is
bundle
the
weft. And this one, I just want to show you that after we cut the weft, the hair will fall out. Some ladies already know because I made this video before. If we cut the weft, the hair will fall out also. Now I will show you. I cut some. I cannot cut a lot because I don't want to waste my hair. Of course, I take good care of you guys to make this video to cut my money. Okay, so this one I will cut. Okay, you see. Okay, this is after I cut, and this, you see, I put this one. The hair will go out. You see, the hair will go out. So until you need until you make sure it will not come out again. Until you make sure it will not come out again. Because sometimes, you see, so this one. So because sometimes the ladies, they buy the bundles, they solve on the cap. Some ladies, they don't cut it all the way to solve on the cap. But some ladies, they cut and they don't know the hair will fall out. They need to pull as much as possible until it stops. Otherwise, after you saw on the cap, that you will feel like when you comb the hair, when you comb your wig, you will say, hey, how come it's shedding? Actually, it's because of this. So to make sure, if you buy the bundle to make to solve into bundle solve into a wig, after you cut, if you cut, you need to pull out as much as possible to make sure it stops, so you will not feel shedding. Okay, so like this one, you see, this one this, can you see? Yep, can you see? That's why some ladies sometimes they say it will be shedding. So, or some ladies, a lot of ladies, they ask us to make the wigs for them, to make sure no problem. Because after we make into wigs, we just comb the wig to pull this falling hair out until it stops. So this one, this is the bundle web. But this one is a Genius Wefts. After you cut, it will not fall out. It will not fall out. I need to take, it's very, very expensive. I cannot cut a lot. I just take a small proportion out. A small proportion out. It's very, very expensive. And not very expensive compared to the bundle web. You see, I will cut this one and it will not fall out. After we cut some, you see, remember this color? Okay, you see? Yeah, you can see it now. Okay, this is the small proportion I cut, okay? So I need to go back to check if there are some falling hair in between this Genius Wefts. No, you see, I try to pull. No, I pulled very, very hard. This one I pulled very, very hard. No hair fall out. This is the Genius Wefts. So this is artwork. I try to pull. No hair will come out. So, and it is very, very soft, and you can feel it's very, very clean and neat. See this because the strands of the hair already hand tied and sealed completely with some gel, very, very soft gel. So you will see it's very, very nice, very, very nice. So this is this video just to show you, yes, we can make the single wefted for the customers if you require us to make it. So this like this normally. So we use these two. This is two single wefted hair, and then we fold. You see, and then we fold to make it double. To make it double, you see? Can you see? Let me show you clearly. Okay, you see my finger here? You see my finger here? And then we fold to make it double wefted. Make it double wefted and make it tight. Make it very, very tight. So, but the ladies already have been buying this double wefted for a long time, for years and years. It's just because some ladies, they prefer single wefted. So we can make single wefted bundle hair for you guys. If you have this requirement, this video, I hope you can see it clearly now. Because they say after they use single wefted bundle to solve the cap, they can solve more to fill the space. They will fill the space. They will feel like, if for example you only use this one, you can feel like this one, this. You understand? Only one space, but you have two. But you have longer hair, you can feed more space. You have longer hair, you can feed more space. It just depends, because when you feed more space, you need longer time to sew the weft on your cap, right? So that's it. But the volume, each bundle volume is 95 gram to 100 gram. I always tell my customers between 95 to 100 grams. This is the bundle weight. Okay. Genius Wefts is very, very popular. Genius Wefts. So are you worried about not finding a good hair render with the affordable price? Don't worry. After watching this video, you already find one very, very high quality hair render with affordable price. This one. But I suggest you guys to watch my other videos. Watch my other videos, you will learn a lot. Like other ladies, they will always tell me that, hey, Hyman, you always offer free education tips to the business owners and the salon owners to help them to grow the business. This is what I like to do, because when I offer more free. My customer, they grow the business, of course they will come back to me. So this is how I do business. Firstly, you need to make yourself is a very valuable person to other people. Then we help each other. This okay, and I will let me show you. This is make it clear. Okay, can you see it? I'm not sure if you can. I think you can see it. So I will. Now this one is single wefted bundle now. This one is single wefted because I cut it to half. Because you see, when I fold it, these two single wefted folded, it will be thicker. It will be thicker.